ZiAsia, and I'm back once again to slay your day. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the squad. Thank you so much for watching today. And if you love all things beauty, fashion, and fun, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Now that we got that out of the way, I'm coming at you guys with yet another wig review. Today's video is being brought to you by Elevate Styles, as they sent me a unit that I have been dying to get my hands on. So here she is, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Sensationnel Cloud 9 Swiss Lace Wig Audry. It's part of their What Lace Hairline Illusion collection. But one thing that you should know is that this wig does not come in a 1B or a 2. Like, they're all bright colors. Like, we have a burgundy, a dark teal, a silver gray, even a rose gold, but there's no black or 1B. Okay guys, so here she is. This is Sensationnel Audry. I am loving these waves. They're really giving me like Marilyn Monroe, like blonde bombshell that I can appreciate. And I'm also loving the luster of this hair. It's very realistic. It closely resembles that of body wave hair. Wow, look at how much parting space. The hairline starts right here. So this is all parting space, and it's a free part. So you can part it wherever you want. Wow. So we have two clips, one on the left side, one on the right, as well as the adjustable strap in the back, and another clip back there as well. So I usually install my frontals about an inch above my hairline. I just feel like it makes it look more natural. Now that I know exactly where I want to go ahead and install this wig, I'm going to grab my Got To Be Glued spray and spray it on. And then once you've gotten it dry and tacky, I'm gonna go ahead and pull our wig up. Now that's pretty snug, but the difficult part with any frontal is the side tabs, so you wanna make sure you get those. You spray them well. Okay, so I pretty much got it how I want it, and now all it's left to do is go ahead and cut off this lace. And like, really, I don't even think you need baby hairs with this. That's how good this hairline looks. That's insane. I'm not going to pluck this part, but I will add foundation to it just to give it a more realistic color. Then I'm going to use a cotton round to blend in the foundation a little bit more. Although this unit doesn't need them, I'm going to be adding baby hairs just to make the hairline look more natural. That's about as far as I'm going to take it as far as baby hairs go. But with this wig, you could really part it anywhere that you choose. I could go to the middle, wear it like that. I could go to my left side. Ooh, I like this side. That's not even my good side. Wait, is this my good side? No, that's my bad side. I'm not gonna lie, shedding may be a problem with this unit. I've gotten quite a bit of shedding since I put this unit on, but I'm not gonna lie, I still like it. I really do. Now I'm just gonna cut it to frame my face. I feel like this bang is too busy and it does not work for my face shape. I like my bang to kind of have like a feathered look, like it's slowly going away, and to reveal my face. I like my face to be the centerpiece of any look that I'm wearing. I didn't really like the way the bang sat. I think it was too wavy. So I just went ahead and ran my flat iron about halfway down. I feel like it works better with this look. I'm a little concerned with the frizz, so I'm going to use some of my leave-in conditioner and hope that it helps. Okay. Yes, it did help. Wow. So here is the finished product. So the pros of this unit is the realistic hairline. They really put a frontal on a synthetic wig. And not only that, but this synthetic hair does not have that artificial sheen. But I do feel like this unit is perfect for spring and summer just because of the short length. I do think it's big head friendly because I'm not even using the adjustable strap, but it has a very snug fit. I also believe this unit is great for people who just started wearing frontals. If you want more practice installing them, this will be a great affordable option for you to learn how to install your own frontals and begin to like manipulate the part to make your hairline look real. I have to say, I love this unit. I'm gonna need this in every color. I especially want to try that rose gold. Woo! Oh my gosh, guys. It's giving me blonde bombshell a la Marilyn Monroe. And to think that this is a synthetic unit, it costs less than $50. Like, are you serious? I really don't have nothing bad to say about this unit. Sensationnel, y'all definitely have redeemed yourself. I am in love with Miss Audry, honey. Thank you so much to Elevate Styles for sending me this unit because I love it. And if you would like to get your hands on Miss Audry, I will be putting a link in the description box below. And guys, I don't know what else. I mean, I love to stay in chat, but I got to go, okay? I got to hit the club. I gotta I gotta chill, but there is no chill with Miss Audry, honey, okay? Miss Audry is not a chill wig. This wig is like, what lace? Like, what chill? If you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe and comment down below and let me know what you think about this unit and what color you want to try her in. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Peace! Ew, ew.